Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and having a great time in your life. Wherever you are, you all are safe and sound. After a long time, I thought of making this vlog, and I'm currently in Abu Dhabi city. I'm in Corniche. It's roughly about 1:30 in the afternoon, and see around how the things are. So it's all safe and sound. Number one, I just thought of making this video to clear the air. There are a lot of rumors which is going around in India, where all our media and the news journalists, they all are spreading the rumor that the people are not safe in Abu Dhabi and Dubai. There are a lot of attacks which has happened, but I would say I'm staying here in Abu Dhabi since last 1 year, and since the time I'm here, I felt this is one of the safest city in the world. It has also been ranked as one of the safest since last 10 consecutive years, and I would vouch for it without any doubt. Even in the middle of the night, like at around 2, 1, 3:30, whatever time you want, a single girl can walk freely without even having a stress or thought of anything happening to her. Not even a single person will dare to harass or taunt or even try to approach her. So that safe is this city, even for women and girls, and I can vouch for it. Let's talk about the current situation which is going on. So yeah, of course there is an attack which is done by Iran to UAE, and UAE military and the government is taking care of it very well. We are not even scared of it. Whatever is happening, that is happening in the outskirt, and it's all intercepted in the air itself by the military. The government has also ensured all of us, being an Emirati or an expat, there are roughly about 200 nationalities staying in UAE, and they all consider everyone as their own people. So we have everything, like taking care of all the foods. We are getting on time, gas, everything, no problem at all. Let's talk about the current situation. Like my own family, friends, and everybody, they all were worried, and they all were trying to reach out to me, asking what is the situation, if you're feeling safe or no. If you're not feeling safe, then come back to India. So let me address this point. To be very honest, I have never felt this safe. I'm safe in this country since day one, and it continues till today as well, no matter what is the situation. But the situation is tackled very nicely by the military and the government, and nobody is suffering. We all are following a routine. Whoever has to do whatever, wherever we have to go, that we all are able to do it safely. The only thing is that whenever there is something, the government sends us notification, and that notification, during that period of time, we are little careful. That's it, nothing else. And so I just want to I just wanted to make this video to understand that why our Indian media, they spread all the false rumor about the countries and panic the people, whoever is in India and whoever's relative are in abroad or in UAE. So it creates a lot of chaos and problem unnecessarily, just to gain some TRPs of their news channel. Very well known news channels, like I'm not gonna name it, but which I also used to admire and follow it. But unfortunately, after hearing and listening to all the fake news, it really it really made me feel a little absurd, that why Indian media has to do all that, and why not Indian government takes care of it, so that this panic situation is not created unnecessarily, when it's not even a panic situation. It's as simple as that. Though UAE government is always ready to take care of all the things, whatever has to happen, it will happen, and they are always ready with all the infrastructure and the amenities. Um, we all are rest assured. We are sleeping well. The days are still the same. Due to Ramadan, the country itself become little slow due to the less working hours, as most of them are fasting. and so there is no impact on it. There is no impact on the country. Whereas I've been reading news that India, the neighbor countries, Pakistan, Afghanistan, and XYZ, they all are suffering. They all are not getting enough gas, oils. The restaurants are getting shut in the countries. Schools and colleges in Pakistan has been closed because they don't have the oil and the infrastructure now. So I assume more than UAE, other countries are suffering, to be very honest. So the media should be taking care of our own country first, and then they should be blaming or defaming the other country, because I really felt a little bad, where I'm a very loyal citizen wherever I am. Whatever things which you like it, I'm gonna say it bluntly. Of course, I'm an Indian. I come from India. India is one of the lovely city. We have got lovely country. We have got good food, lot of opportunities, lot of things which is good, and lot of things which is not so great as compared to UAE. When it comes to safety, security, infrastructure, all the facilities, amenities. Let's talk about thousand of things you can talk about it. Every country has pros and cons. So yeah, that is what I wanted to give a quick update on the current situation which is going on in UAE. I would like to say that you all are uh, just be rest assured that whoever is your relative in India, from India in UAE, they all are safe and sound, and they are living their life as normally as they were before. I don't know this situation will continue for how long, but our government is, you know, ready to take care of it, and they know how to deal with such situation without even reaching out to their own people. So yeah, that's it. That's the quick update. Thank you for thank you for coming across my video. If you like the content, please like, share, and subscribe. And hope to see you guys soon with some good news pretty soon.